Hi guys, so today I'm going to try out the new card kit of the month for Spellbinders called Sincerely Yours. This is new for April 2021. Spellbinders did send these items free of charge in my review, and all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you were to purchase items through those links. I usually give you a little information about the club kit. Really easy to sign up, really easy to manage it, whatever it is that you want to do. If you want to skip, if you want to change, if you want to add, if you want to, just change out the club kit you're subscribed to. You can do all that in the portal. If you sign up today, depending on the day you're watching it, the next time around it will be shipped out, billed and shipped out, right around that same day, but billed on that same day, shipped out a couple days later. And it's always, what you see right now is what is available right now. So for the April kit, this is what will be shipped in a couple days to you. So I know some other club kits, it's a preview, and then the next time around you get that further down the line. But today, if you sign up today, this is what you will get. So with any of the kits, that's how they work it there on Spellbinders. And so I did do a review already for the large dive thumb. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. It's a really cool slimline kind of border creator. It's really cool. So as you can see, they're nice and long. And then the stamp of the month that really coordinates really well back to that. I'll have links in the description box for that video. And this one, I did unbox it a little bit in the large die of the month video. So I'm going to show you what's in it. And we're definitely going to use the little envelope dies to make the little envelope. So as you can see here, I'll show you the inspiration. As you can see there's a little envelope. Oh, cute. There's like a binder clip art that you can use. But anyhow, so you make your little envelope and you can fill it with, whatever. If you want to use die cuts or the little flowers, make your own, however it is. But it has this little envelope, and that's the intention there. But we have the pieces here. So in the other video, I didn't open it up completely. I just showed it really quickly. So let me open this up. And I know sometimes people ask if you can just buy the one kit. So what happens is you will still sign up, and then if that's all you're interested in, you don't want to continue. If you continue on, you get 10% off the site. You'll get 10% off the site that same day that you sign up. You can just cancel it a few days later, and you'll still have the kit that you wanted, but you're not signed up anymore. So that's up to you. But I like getting the 10% off and having the club kit, so I just manage it month to month instead of canceling, But we have the two pieces here that make our envelope. I love the little score line, so the envelope looks even more realistic, so cute. And it does have like a gusseting, so it's going to have a little bit of thickness, and then this is the back part. So it's two pieces. Basically, this piece goes on top of this piece, but we'll talk about that in a minute. And then the dies, we have little stems, we have flowers, we have floral sprays. Great to mix and match back with any of your dies, any of your cute little Spellbinders dies that are flower related. Look at that. So all these little centers. So cute. And then leaves and some more little flowers. Those are the dies there. The paper pad I did go through in the last video, but I will quickly go through it here. We have the foiling with the phones. How cute is that? And you can always add things like this. So when you go into your portal, if your package hasn't shipped yet, if it's waiting for like the next time, or maybe you're further down the line in the month, and you can add an extra paper pad if you want. What you do is you go in your portal, on the left side it says browse, and you can click browse and you can add things to your cart that way. And it's usually paper pads or more die cuts or however, but you'll see. So I usually pick up an extra paper pad every month. This one has the little ledger pieces. This one has little like kind of doodled flowers, really cute daisies. The little beautiful background, I love that. Little bouquet paper. This one's more of a kind of a Moroccan tile feel. Little plaid, checker. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little jacket. It says, "In Sisters We Trust." So just like really fun. Background pink with white dots. The little postage stamp looking piece. The foiled grid quadrant paper. Yes, I have been doing other videos, so I already have ink on my fingers. A little blue with the heart background. Really pretty kind of leaves. Again, just a gorgeous background there. The little kind of fairy crowns, or however you want to look at them. Pink wood grain, little birdies. That gorgeous daisy background with the gold foil. And it starts again. So there's usually 2 sheets in each paper pad of each one. Those are 6x6 paper pads. Of course, your card bases, there's always 10 card bases, 10 envelopes. You always have your adhesives, the liner tape, and the dimensional adhesive, which is great. I love the little blue sequins that comes with this month. So cute just to pop some on here and there. Die cut shapes, tons of die cut shapes. I'll show them very quickly. I think on the Spellbinders videos, on their unboxings, they show pretty much every single one. Well, something like that, but beautiful things await you. Oh, hey there, you know, just lots of words. Look at this little envelope, so cute. This is with love, you know, a larger kind of topper piece. There's just lots of stuff in here, little letters. Oh my gosh, look how cute. A little pony with those little daisy chain necklace and frames and tags and all kinds of stuff in here. So cool. These are really, really cute. So they're like layered stickers with acetate. I don't know if you can see, but that, like, where it says "Let Your Light Shine" is on acetate. Really, really cool. The stamp set. This is obviously different from the stamp set of the month. The stamp set of the month, like this one, the stamp of the month, is a photopolymer stamp, and it is a different design than what's in the kits, as you can see. These stamps that are in the kit are acrylic stamps. And let me just verify that. And I verify that by the feel and the smell. Yeah, these are acrylic. So really cute, like I said in the last video with the little rainbow that you can layer up. Love you a bunch. All these little cute things will fit inside your mug if you want to stamp them in there. I think that'd be adorable. Happiness blooms from within. Have a lovely day. You bring the sunshine. There are brighter days ahead. Hello, darling friend. And then the little postal, like little card or postcard or envelope, however you want to see that. Little hearts and things. And then we have the little Jet Puff stickers, all white. You can color these if you want. You can ink them up. They are plasticky, so if you're using an ink, it needs to be an ink like a stays on, something that's not going to move, right? They do have it in different colors, but usually pretty basic colors. But I would say alcohol ink markers would be the best thing to color those with, just to have some fun. And then our paper array here. Let me... Dark blue. I love this colorway right here. Just these three. It's so pretty. And then we have our deep yellow, lavender color, a sweet soft pink, light blue, and then 2 shades of green, which I love for the leaves and stuff. So what I'm going to do is probably grab a card base, grab some paper to go in the background, get some paper to cut our little envelope and things. And, well, there's plenty of papers in here, but I do want the envelope to be white. So I'm going to grab some white paper and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so for my card base, I do have just the card base from the kit there. It's A2 size card, and I cut down some of that kind of ledger paper. Look how cute on the very top. It does have some wording there. And I cut it down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, just so it's just inside my paper. If you want to do some inking on this or something fun, funky, you know, maybe we should do some... Oh, that's what I can use. Let me grab something. I'll be right back. I'm just going to take some of our little silk here. Probably should have got it ready beforehand. Just give it a little mix. And I'm just going to fling some of this on here just for some little background. So I'll do that and I'll let it dry. And I'll be right back. Okay, that one was fresh sage silk. And I'm going to use some of the tape from the kit, which normally just go and use a wet glue, but I guess we have plenty of this that we should use. And I'll show you what that silk does. It dries up really nice and quickly on this kind of paper, so that's great. So I'm just going to frame this out just so we can stick it down. And you don't have to do a frame, you can just do strips, you know, along the edges, however you want to do it, but I'm just doing this. And I'll take the backings off of them. Really, really nice and sticky. And I usually like to burnish them with my finger or with a bone folding tool, however it is. And just pick the little backs off. And I'll be right back. My card's going to open this way. I'm orienting it, you know, in this landscape way. Now, with this kind of tape, you don't have a lot of play, so you want to be very careful before you lay it down. And I just want to show you what that silk does. Hopefully you can see that little shine, little shimmer in there. Pretty cool. All right, and then I just have a scrap piece of paper, this white scrap piece of paper that I think these are going to fit on. Yes, exactly side to side. Perfect. So I'm going to take that down. And again, just because I want a white envelope. But there we go. So we need both these pieces. I'll get both these going through. And I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have our pieces. And how you want to orient the piece that goes in the back is up to you, because obviously this is the nice side of the paper where the die pushed in. But if you orient it so it's like this, when you close it, if you close it. I guess you don't have to close it, which maybe I won't. That's not going to be showing. I mean, it will be underneath. So the top side, that's the rough cut side, will be showing. You know what I'm saying? If you flap it over. So I'm just using it as a decorative element in the background. I'm just letting you know in case you try to use it that way. Again, it does have dimension where the back piece doesn't. So I think it's purely meant to be, I would say ornamental, I guess. They're decorative. So anyway, I'm going to fold this on all the fold lines, score lines, and I'll be right back. There's a couple more at the bottom, and look how cute the little design there. Adorable. Okay, I'll be right back. We have our little pieces all folded up. And this is where you decide, like, do you want, in the example, the envelope is straight up and down like this, which is probably what I'll do, but I think maybe I'll turn it. Maybe I'll give it a little pivot because the ledger paper is just so straight, you know, and this is going to be so straight. It's kind of fun to pivot something or turn it a little bit like this, maybe, you know, let that be the way you use it. However you want to position it on your paper. So I think I'm going to do something like this. Trying to just see where exactly I want that to be. Sure, maybe a little bit further back. Okay. And I'm just going to glue it down. Again, you can use your liner tapes. Oopsie. And before I really stick that down again, I'm just going to eyeball that and make sure it's where I want. Maybe a little further up like this. Cute. And then this piece, we're just going to put glue on the back. And you could, basically we're going to put this down, then fill it with whatever you want. I think I'm going to use the die cuts today because I don't normally use too many of the die cuts. Now, I did it this way. If you want to stick this part down first and then put this over it so it's covering the little, I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just holding this. I think the other thing we might need just to make sure it's touching in the background is a bone folder just to push that down, make sure that glue is touching the surface. So like I said, I put that down, but you can kind of see those pieces. If you want to cover them with this, then put this piece down first, then use this piece and slide it in. But I'm going to be putting things in there. I don't think it's going to be super noticeable, so I'm not too concerned. And I'm just pushing the back side of this just so that it's staying down. Okay, and I'll wait till this is set up and I will be right back. Okay, sorry I went through and was looking at the die cuts, but I'm going to open this up just in case I need some other ones. I can pop them in as I like. But there are 2 of each one. So like we have favorite, ooh, spelled the fancy way. We have favorite, there's 2 of them. We have celebrate, a couple of them. Again, oh, hey there, you know, all these different thank you, friends. Oh, the little paper clip, little and, how cute is that? Happy to be here. I mean, there's just lots of little postage. Oh, that's cute. Anyhow, so there's tons of things in here. So I had pulled out a few that I thought would be cute. And I think I'm just going to fill it in with die cuts. And that makes your card even quicker. So this is kind of like the main one just because it has a lot going on. And I thought, well, how cute would it be to have a little rainbow in there. Why not, right? A rainbow in your envelope. So I'm just going to go through and glue things down. If I need dimensionals, I'll put that. If I just want to glue it flat, I will do that. Obviously, we still want to see the envelope, so it still looks like an envelope, so I don't want to put too much, but like this little guy, I think will be glued to the top of the envelope. And that'll hold that up. And I'm going to hold that for a second just so it stays, or maybe even put that just as a holder. I have even sunshine. I thought it'd be cute if a little bird would come out of here, right? Why not? So just going to layer some different things. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the sunshine, but I did pull out tons of the little daisy flowers. So again, I'm going to layer them in and behind. So I'll just glue them down just so it looks kind of full, and have some of the little leaves, just whatever it is you want to tuck in there. You know, that'd be really great. So I'm going to continue layering things up inside my little envelope, and I'll be right back. this over here with me. I was just kind of going through. I showed you a little bit of kind of how I was just putting it together, just putting glue here and there and thinking about how this might look. How cute is that? Look how full it is. And then this little guy's going that way and this guy's going this way. But, you know, and I left that little piece of envelope showing just so that you can see that it's an envelope a little better. So, but if you want to just completely pile it in, of course you can. I did tuck some in the back that might be hard to see, but they're there. It's just another little detail. And I think with the thank you, I'm going to stick it here. So the thank you does have a little dot you can pop out if you wanted. But since it's not going to show, I'm not going to do that. But that'd be cute to put some little twine on that. And I'm going to use this little guy to hold it down. And I think I might even... Let me see if I should put some dimensional on that. I'm going to use a little piece of this dimensional. Like the smallest piece. Let's see. Let's see here. What do I have in here? I've been crafting all morning, so I have stuff in my nails. I would like it to be kind of standing up. I might shave that down a little bit. You can play with the dimensional adhesive however you like, but there's that. All right, just a quick and easy card using that main die. I think it's really sweet. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for sending these items for my review. Again, guys, I'll have the links in the description box. Keep an eye out. I'll do a little more with the card kit coming up, but I just wanted to show you how to make a sweet and simple card quickly and easily, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.